Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrujita. Today is Sunday, October 4th and it's 10:38 now. I'm making tea. Actually, we both wanted to have breakfast from Chick-fil-A. Shomo went to pick up the food, but he get back with no food. We totally forgot that today is Sunday and Chick-fil-A's are closed on Sunday. So that's a bummer. But anyways, I'm making tea now. We're going to have tea first and then we'll decide what we'll have for breakfast. And yeah, that's how our Sunday starts, with a sad note. But anyways, keep watching. Hello, so we just had our lunch. Now I want to make some rabdi, like easiest way as possible. You just need some ricotta cheese, evaporated milk and sugar. So yeah, that's what I'm going to make nowadays. Like, I crazily crave for sweets after meals, like especially after lunch and dinner. I need something sweet, I can't control myself. I know that's really not an awesome thing, but I can control it. I really need something sweet. So what I do nowadays, it's like I make some sweet items ahead so that it's available when I like to have some. Like few days before, I made some cupcakes. Why? Because every month we used to click peek of Kian, like his milestone peak, one with his milestone blanket, one with his letterboard. That's different theme every month with the letterboard, and one with the cupcake. So that's why I made cupcake this month, because this month he turned 5 months. But that cupcakes got finished today, so I wanted to make rabri. That way, I can control the portion I'm taking. But if I'm not getting anything sweets after meal, what I tend to do, like, I take a can of soda, loads of chocolate. That's more bad thing, I know. And I can't have soda like every day after every meal, because as I'm breastfeeding, soda is not obviously the good thing to have like every day. So I also keep that in mind. So yeah, that's why I wanted to make some sweet dishes, and plan this thing ahead so that it's available when I'm craving like crazy. So yeah, that's a little explanation what's happening now. And before starting, I also want to mention that I'm going to combine this vlog with a vlog before, which I already which I did on like almost a month before, like on his 4-month vaccination day. And I was waiting for that vlog to upload, because I was combining that vlog with the brand unboxing video, but it's taking longer time to get the approval to upload. So I'm thinking to upload that vlog with this one, and when I'll get the approval, I'm going to add that unboxing video with other vlog. So yeah, that's what I'm also gonna do. Now let's begin. So for this recipe, you will need ricotta cheese. here I am using this ricotta cheese tub, which is 15 ounce, and then a can of evaporated milk, and you will need some saffron strands and also cardamom powder, which I forgot to mention, but I'm going to add that later. So first I'm going to add this full tub of ricotta cheese into a pan, and I'm going to cook it on medium heat for few minutes until it got reduced a bit and all the water got evaporated, and then I'll add the evaporated milk gradually. Keep that in mind that you need to keep stirring it continuously until you got the consistency you want. Now, as you guys can see, this ricotta cheese got reduced a bit. Now I'm going to add a little bit of evaporated milk and mix it all up and make it a lump-free mix. And then I'll add the rest of the milk here and cook it for a few minutes until I got a thick consistency, which I'm going to show you guys later. So now the rabdi is almost ready, and this is the consistency I want. Now I'm going to add sugar. Um, I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoon of sugar, and after adding the sugar, give it a good stir, and you need to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes, and by the time I'll add few saffron strands, and I'm also going to add a little bit of cardamom powder, and yeah. Now I'm going to pour it in a serving container, and just for the decoration I'm going to add some chopped almonds, and after it's cooled down a bit I'm going to keep it in a fridge, and later I'll serve it. So now I'm just combining the old clip of vlog with the recent one. Now this day we were going to see Kian's pediatrician for Kian's 4-month checkup. So now I'm just keeping stuff in my diaper bag, so whenever we go out I always keep an extra pair of clothes of Kian, and obviously some diapers and wet tissues. And I also bring a water bottle for myself, and I'm also gonna carry his milk, obviously, and that's what I'm packing now. So today is the next morning and I just finished a pumping session, and now I'm just cleaning all the bottles, and I did not continue yesterday's vlog after that, as Kian got his 4-month vaccination. He was little clingy, so I couldn't vlog much. And today is the next morning. We just woke up and Shomo is playing with Kian now, and yeah, and I'm just going to make the bed, make the breakfast, have it, and just do the needful household chores. So now Kian is gonna play with this toy, and so that's why I'm just wiping all these toys with the baby wipes, because nowadays he keeps putting everything in his mouth. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and while he's playing with this toy, I'm gonna fold some laundry as well. So that evening we ordered some food, so that's why we're going out to pick that food. And we got the food. We got some kebab and biryani for dinner, and samosa and chaat that we'll have now as a evening snack. So yeah guys, that is all from my today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you love to watch my videos, haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Mwah. Bye guys.